My name is Finlay Pyke and I'm the captain of boats for 2020. 2020 has been a year of success for the Guildford Grammar Boat Shed. For me, the foundation of this success has been built upon our value of unity. I believe the Shed's community has grown much stronger as we work together towards the same goal. With a strong focus on the 1%ers, these efforts have proven to be of value within our shed. I consider these to fall under our values of professionalism and pride. Our success this season would not be possible without the coaches, parents, the GRA and of course all the roles. I want to give a huge thanks for the contributions you've made and the time you've invested. I would like to personally thank you for the opportunity you've given me this season and the support I've had all throughout.
Nice haircut.